Hey, everybody. Welcome to Let's Make Dinner, your audio library of amazing dinner recipes you can get on the table any night of the week. I'm your host, Susie Weinrich. All right, what's up, good people? You know what? If there is one thing that is so frustrating in the kitchen, it is when you make hard-boiled eggs and the shell sticks to the eggs and takes half of the egg with it when you peel it. But I found a foolproof method for cooking hard-boiled eggs in your Instant Pot. It's called the 5-5-5 method, and I'm going to share with you how to do that today. All right, y'all, get your Instant Pot out. Now, when I use my Instant Pot, I like to use this metal trivet to put the eggs on top of because I feel like it holds the eggs in place so that they're not kind of bumping around and possibly cracking while they're cooking in the Instant Pot. I'm going to do 12 eggs today, which you can do 6, you could do 12, you could do 18, you could do 2 dozen. Whatever will fit in your Instant Pot will work perfect. Then once you get all those eggs in there, you're going to pour in about 1.5 cups of water. And now we're going to check our lid. This may be a step that you're skipping, but check the seal ring on your lid to make sure that it's fully in place. That's what allows your Instant Pot to come to pressure. Now for the first 5 of the 5-5-5, we're going to do a 5-minute pressure cook, high pressure, normal heat, 5 minutes. Let it do its thing. Now, while that's cooking, what I'm going to do is get an ice bath ready for when the eggs are done cooking. Now, I said the first 5 was the 5-minute cook. The second 5 is something called a natural release. And that's at the end of the cooking time, you just let your pot continue for 5 minutes. You don't have to do anything. It automatically goes into something called natural release. That's where the pressure is starting to dissipate, but it's still part of the cooking time. So on my pot, it actually counts back up to 5. Then I'm going to release all of the pressure that's left in the pot, and then we're going to take the lid off. All of my eggs were perfect. Now, every once in a while, I will have an egg crack open. I usually still use those eggs. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. This is the last 5. It's a 5-minute ice bath. So I take all the eggs and put them in this ice bath for 5 minutes. And they are all ready. All right, we've got our 5-5-5 Instant Pot hard-boiled eggs all ready. I'm going to peel some here so you can see how they just slip apart. Crazy. Now, a lot of times I like to peel my eggs under running water, but we're just going to do this here. Ready? I mean, the shell literally slips off. Now, of course, if you're doing it underneath running water, like I said, it's going to slip off even easier. That's it. I mean, they literally are perfect. No craggy edges, no parts that got peeled off. I mean, they just slip out. So good. So I'm going to take these hard-boiled eggs and I'm going to make potato salad, which I love. So if you use this 5-5-5 Instant Pot hard-boiled egg recipe, comment below and let me know what you made with your hard-boiled eggs. Or do you just keep them in the fridge for snacking? We love egg salad and we love potato salad so much. So I hope that this recipe helps you feel like a success in your kitchen. And join me next week on Tuesday for another video. See ya. I'm going to review that 5-5-5 with you one more time. 5-minute cook time, 5-minute natural release, 5-minute ice bath. And your hard-boiled eggs are going to slip out of the shell. You're going to love it.